What's good, YouTube? This is Rob back with another video. I have here a tempered glass screen protector from a company called Ailun or Ailun. This particular screen glass protector has a 9H on the hardness scale. It's supposed to be about 0.25 millimeters in thickness. It is case friendly, ultra clear, anti-scratch, and it's supposed to be oleate coating on it to help resist oils and reduce annoying fingerprints. Now this is supposed to be a precise laser cut to fit the screen. I don't know if it's supposed to be to fit the screen or just for the fact that it's supposed to fit perfectly where it is what makes it case friendly. It does have an easy installation, but we all know that a lot of these screen protectors don't really have easy installations. It pretty much end up being a freehand, and you go by the way you drop it on the screen. It does come 3 in a pack. I started with this particular one. I didn't want to go all in on a top of the line, very expensive screen protector and not have it work out. So I'm going to start with this one, give you my review on it, because everybody can go out and afford screen protectors that run almost $50. So let's try this out. It does come with wipes and dust removal for each tempered glass that's in there. This is not so much an installation video. I just want to review pretty much this tempered glass. So once I drop it on there, I pretty much want to review it per se to let you know how it worked. Did it keep its word as being a tempered glass that resists fingerprints? How long does it last? Does it rainbow around the edges? Do you see that? You know, you just want to, hopefully you can find that diamond in the rough, so you're not, you don't have to pay a lot of money for, those top of the line tempered glass ones. Now, this should be pretty decent, I will hope, because it's not a curved screen so much. Let's say like a Samsung screen where your only type of tempered glass ones are the ones that got the glue around the edge and no glue in the middle. This one is has the glue all the way through. Again, oh, I forgot to do this. Dust removal. Try to do this late at night, so give it time to adhere to the actual screen protector. Now they do have these little guides. I don't know how many people use these guides, where you put it under the back and you fold the screen glass over using the guides. I don't like doing that. Sometimes it doesn't work out, and doing it behind the camera, I hope it works out for me on this try. I like to let mine air dry. I don't like to use the dry napkin that comes with it. It tends to cause problems. Okay. All right. Sorry about the silence here. I think I came a little too high up over here. I may have to make an adjustment. Work the edges. Looks pretty good. Even though I had to make that one slight little adjustment. All right, so far so good. Looks nice. I'm gonna try one of my cases, and it seems to work with the dreaded Speech and Rugged Armor case. Get a close up. See the tempered glass, and there's some space between the tempered glass. Oh, okay, so it works out. So far so good. Thumbs up. All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna report back to you guys in about a week I'm gonna see how this works out. Hopefully it works out pretty good. This would be a nice little cheap alternative, you know, to get you from this particular screen protector to maybe another one, or this could be your main screen protector. One thing to remember, this is a very narrow screen protector. It does cover the entire screen. Like, there are some screen protectors where you can see just the outside of the screen protector, but this particular one does cover the entire width of the screen, so you shouldn't have no problems with that. Just make sure you do a good install. Other than that, you have nobody to blame but yourself if you see any part of your screen, because you have probably shifted it one way or another. But so far so good. Again, the Ailun Temper Glass screen protector, $7.81 on Amazon. Come back next week. I'm going to give you a report on this temper glass, let you know how I feel about it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, follow me on all of my social media too. Other than that, I catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.